Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. This is another TFSA Wealthsimple trade update. And always a mouthful to say that, but the portfolio actually is now over $20,000, which is nice to see. So without further ado, let's just jump right into the portfolio. All right, here we are in the tax-free savings account, which is up over $20,000, which is awesome to see. It's nice to hit that mark. The goal of the channel, obviously, if you've been following along, is to try and get the TFSA up to $100,000. So slowly but surely, we are getting there. My goal is to hopefully maybe try and have this doubled within another, well, I'm putting roughly about $10,000 a year into that. I'd like to keep that pace up. So we're on track for that $100,000 sooner rather than later, which is great. Let's go show how we're doing here. Let's go, and we will do all time. Market is closed today. It is Sunday when I'm filming this. Long weekend. Canadian market is closed tomorrow. BAM, that's part of that StreamYard challenge. I'm still depositing into that. I will do another deposit at the beginning of the month. Convert $25 US into Canadian instead of doing a StreamYard subscription for my live streams. Put it into BAM. So up 3.934 shares, down though a little bit, 3.57%, $6.13. The total value, $165.81, which is pretty good considering that would be gone to StreamYard. BEP.UN, that's Brookfield Renewables, and I've got some fractional shares there that does get cut off, so we can jump actually in there and we can show that we have a total of now 24 shares and total value $1,024.08, down 1.21%, $12.52. This is one position I have been adding to slowly as well on the portfolio. Now onto BN, this is Brookfield Corp. I did actually add a couple of shares of this earlier in the week. If you're a channel member, you'll see all the purchases, any sales that I do on the members community tab. Up to 3.5383 shares, $147.30, down 5.64%, $8.80. And BTCY, this one we'll jump into as well, and up to 280 shares of BTCY, $1,008.00 even right there, down 6.66% though, $71.87 in the red, unfortunately. This one though, the dividend did increase, so the distributions coming in monthly is still nice on that, and I think this is one I'll be adding on continually in the portfolio. Try and keep it around 5% of the portfolio altogether. CMC, that one's way down. Look at that, it's 95.96%. I'm just hanging on to that one just as a lesson. Now Diversified Royalty Corp. This one we have now 205 shares. This one was actually a suggestion from the Coffee Crew community. I started off with 100 shares, so up to 205, down 1.57%, $9.80 on Diversified Royalty Corp. ETC, that one is the Bitcoin and Ethereum ETF. Haven't really added into this one. This one doesn't pay a dividend, so haven't left that one, down 47.41%, $659.81. No plans to add anything to that in the near future, focusing more on BTCY. Greenlane Renewables, this one down as well, 68.59%. Greenlane not doing well, $905.04, ouch. But I think long term, we're gonna hang this one up and I will add to this one, just not in any rush for that. RNW, this is TransAlta Renewables. This one has taken a bit of a hit as well. Do want to add more shares to TransAlta Renewables though, up to 71 shares, down though 21.25%, $245.04 on TransAlta Renewables. Let's go back now. SOT.UN, again, that one not doing too great either. The office REITs definitely took a hit, down 57.62%, $403.32. I will be adding to this one slowly but surely, just not in any rush, focusing more on the core holdings, which we will get to on the portfolio. Now on TELUS, we are up to just over 26 shares and we are down 1.99%. It's okay, TELUS down $14.48 on our just over 26 shares of that. Now Tesla is one. This one is actually doing okay, up 9.41%, $608.04, and we are up all time on that one, $52.28. Pretty happy about that. I will be adding some more Tesla. A little bit overexposed, I think, for my allocation, what I want to plan on Tesla, so just kind of holding back for a little bit. Let's go into VDY. This is the Vanguard Canadian High Dividend Yield Index ETF. There is another mouthful of that is for sure. Up to 89.6966 shares, up 0.83%. That's okay. $31.03. Good regular dividends still coming through from that one. So that one pretty happy about as well. VFV. This is the Vanguard S&P 500 Index ETF, and up to 39.623 shares, up 3.21%. That's great. It's nice to see VFV over $100 again, which is nice. I think it's hitting kind of 52-week highs, which is great. So up 3.21%, $123.97 on VFV. Let's go back here. XEQT, this is a relatively new holding of the ETF, the core portfolio in my TFSA iShares Core Equity ETF portfolio, XEQT, if you're interested, and up to 180 shares of that, and up just a little bit, which is okay, a little bit in the green, 0.77%, $35.59 on XEQT. And last but not least, this is the Yield Tesla share. If you've been following along and watching, I did sell my Yield Google shares. They were up a little bit, made about 95, close to $100 on that. So that was nice to see, selling off a little bit of green, which was good. So Tesla, these are the purpose Tesla Yield shares. They pay a monthly distribution. Do have 50 shares of this, up 8.56%, $80.56 on YTSL. Let's go right back up to the top and we'll show how the portfolio is doing so you can see in the past month. But let's go through starting the day. So we're up over $20,000, which is nice. On the past, this is on Friday, down a little bit, kind of flat, 0.02%, $4.17. Relatively even on Friday. On the week, we were up though 0.95%. Nice to have a green week, that's for sure. $189.15. But on the month, there we go, up just kind of flat again, 0.33%, $66.22. And on the 3 months, we're going to be down just a little bit, but you know what? Less than 1%, which is good. 0.61% the past 3 months, $122.52. And on the past year, we're going to see some red, down 1.15% in the past year, $234.25. That's okay, actually, kind of gaining back a little bit. This kind of shows what slow and steady deposits do in my core ETFs. And all time though, unfortunately, this is where we see the big red, down 6.84%. If you've been following along the portfolio, it's been kind of hovering this kind of range for quite a while now, but slowly getting back there. So not too worried. Down all time, down 6.84%, $1,473.71. Now don't forget all of my investments long term. Not going to be touching these for at least minimum 10 years. More probably not touching any of them really, so it's up for retirement in my TFSA. So I think we'll gain that back, just slowly and steady. I'm still doing my weekly $100 dollar cost averaging deposit into my account, so carrying on with that as we go forward. All right, well, now's the time. Let me know in the comments below, what did you buy this week? Did you buy anything? Did you sell anything? It's always really interesting to hear what the community is doing as well. I do really appreciate everybody that's watching this channel, and if you wanted to share any of your thoughts on the market, comments are always open. So thanks everybody for tuning in. Don't forget, there will be live streams next week. We do live stream Monday to Friday on between 8 o'clock to about 8:45 Pacific time. It'd be great to have you join along. If you can't make the live stream though, they are always kept up on. You can watch the archive and you can catch them after the fact. A lot of people do watch those. Do really appreciate all of your views, everybody that's subscribed, likes the videos, all that good YouTube stuff. Definitely really appreciate it. It's a long weekend this weekend, so Canadian markets are closed tomorrow for that long weekend, but so hopefully you have a good long weekend. It's Sunday when I'm filming this. I'm going to go enjoy the day. Hopefully you do too, and enjoy that nice long weekend. Markets are open back on Tuesday, so happy investing when the market's open. Thanks so much for everybody. Have a good one.